Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. In this segment, we're going to show, we already have a great video on this product, and this is the saddlebag for the Sidecar. And we have a great video on this. And with this video, we're just going to show a small little improvement that we introduced, and that's, again, this is just a testimonial to the attention to the detail of our team. And so we noticed that this is the bracket for the saddlebag, which was designed years ago by our team, and we're using the rubber spacers to eliminate any type of metal, paint-to-paint, metal-to-metal contact, and they work great. Just for appearance reasons, we noticed that when you put the pressure, they start to warp out. So what we are going to do from now on at no additional cost, it's just going to be included with installation kit. We're going to have these powder-coated washers that the internal diameter matches the stainless steel hardware, and the external diameter is about 1 millimeter smaller than the rubber washer. So once we put that on, it's going to eliminate this kind of like rubber warping, as you can see here. It still does the job that it's intended for, but this is not something that we like, so we're going to ship it from now on with this as a part of the installation kit. So make sure you use these, and they would be installed between the bottom surface of the bracket to the outside surface of the rubber washer. So thanks for watching, happy riding, and consider sharing, subscribing. Let us know if you have any questions about our e-store products. We're always here to help.